गोवा स्वराज पार्टीन 2016-2017 विधानसभा वेंचणुके खातीर आपल्या दोगा उमेदवारांची नावां जाहीर केला. 10 हल्दोना आणि 11 पणजी या मतदारसंघा खातीर तांणी उमेदवारांच्या नावांची घोशणा केल्या. गोय स्वराज पक्ष गोंयाक स्वताचे हायकमांड हाडटले, जेका लागून नॅशनल हायकमांडान गोंयार केल्ले विध्वंसक परिणाम कमी जातले अशें पार्टीच्या सदस्यांनी सांगलां.
We intend to put 30 candidates minimum for this election, and the party executive has decided that I, as a founding president, should lead this 30 candidates into this election. So we are declaring 2 candidates today, one for Aldona, which is me, who is the General Secretary of the party, who is going to lead this platoon of 30 candidates, or how many candidates we get. But our effort is to put 30 candidates minimum. And the other candidate is Mr. Zico Luis Rodriguez. He is a 26-year-old graduate.
गोंयांत चलपी हेर म्हत्वाच्या मुद्द्यांचेर तोडगो काडटले आनी समस्या सोडयतले अशें तांणी मुखार म्हळां.
I mean, into politics is not dirty. Let us make it clean and help ourselves. The target of declaring 30 candidates for this party is up till April 2016. From there on, we will start our campaign, actual campaign.
IDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.